Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast 01. I'm Alisha, your host, and as always, I'm joined by my co-host, Soren.
Hey there. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for personal and professional success, time management. And guess what? We'll break it down into a simple 7-day plan.
That's right. Managing your time effectively can seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can make significant progress in just 1 week. Let's get started.
Let's go day by day. Ready for day 1, Alisha?
Always ready. Day 1. Assess how you use your time. The first step is awareness. Spend today tracking your time. Write down everything you do and how long it takes.
Exactly. Don't skip anything. Even those 15 minutes spent scrolling social media. You need to see where your time is actually going.
At the end of the day, review your log. This will help you identify patterns and areas where you're wasting time.
Day 2. Set priorities. Now that you know how you're spending your time, it's time to set priorities. Ask yourself, what tasks are truly important?
A great tool for this is the Eisenhower Matrix. It helps you categorize tasks into 4 boxes: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important.
Focus on what's important. The rest can be delegated, scheduled, or eliminated.
Day 3. Plan your day. Day 3 is all about planning. Take 10 to 15 minutes each morning or the night before to create a daily schedule.
Block time for your most important tasks first. This is often called time blocking, and it ensures that your priorities are addressed before distractions creep in.
Don't forget to include buffer time for unexpected tasks and breaks. A packed schedule can lead to burnout.
Day 4. Learn to say no. Saying no is a powerful time management skill. On day 4, focus on identifying tasks or commitments you can decline.
Exactly. If something doesn't align with your priorities, it's okay to say no. Politely, of course.
Remember, every time you say yes to something unimportant, you're saying no to something that matters more.
Day 5. Minimize distractions. Day 5 is about minimizing distractions. Identify your biggest time wasters and take steps to reduce or eliminate them.
This could mean silencing your phone, using website blockers, or creating a dedicated workspace.
Small changes, like checking emails at designated times instead of constantly, can make a huge difference.
Day 6. Use productivity tools. On day 6, explore productivity tools and techniques to help you stay organized. Tools like calendars, to-do lists, and apps can be game changers.
Apps like Trello, Notion, or Google Calendar can help you manage tasks and deadlines. And don't forget the classic pen and paper method if that works for you.
The key is to find what fits your style and stick with it.
Day 7. Reflect and adjust. Finally, day 7 is for reflection. Look back on the past week. What worked well? What didn't?
Adjust your strategies based on your experience. Remember, time management is a skill you'll continue to refine over time.
And celebrate your progress. Even small improvements can have a big impact.
So, there you have it. A 7-day plan to develop time management skills. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection.
Absolutely. And we'd love to hear your thoughts. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments or on Instagram.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Podcast 01. We'll see you next time. Take care and make the most of your time. Bye.